So, pulling up the Lambertville, it is windy out there. We're set up, so it'll be very interesting how, oh, it looks like we're the only ones set up. Still has snow on the ground. I'm just coming back over from Columbus, so it's definitely, there we are set up. But there isn't too many people here today, so it'll be very interesting how this goes. Hopefully we find something to buy to make a little bit of money on. I'm surprised these are still here. Anybody ask about them?
A couple people.
Is that it for these?
I believe on the metal cocktail picks, it's all. About $5 for the 4.
$5.
I can't believe this wind. It is, well, compared to Columbus that had no wind. Yeah, it's just along the river. Yeah, into the puddle of water. Well, I guess let me see real fast what else is at the market, but I think I got to take breakfast. Can you do 10 on it? Did you see these nice early cups?
Oh, yeah,
that,
I noticed them in there.
the way they're repaired with the old staples.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
They're just, like here's one with the castle.
That's really embarrassing glass repair.
That's all I did, like early repairs. I have 3 of them all together. But if they were in good condition, they're expensive, real expensive glasses.
Nice glasses.
I'll throw it in with what you got if you take the candle holder. Trying to make a deal.
See the tall one.
That
Is
one?
that repaired too?
Yeah, they're all repaired. That's the reason I saved them. I think I sold the other ones for like $40 to $60 a glass. This one has a stag on it. Stag and a castle.
I'll take one of those then.
Alright. You can choose whatever one you think's the coolest. Again, the reason I kept them was because of the repair. See, the trick is not to break glassware. You always have to pack steel with it. I was gonna see what Robert has real fast, and yeah, I'm costing you too much money. So for how junky it is out here today, she's over almost at $300. But yesterday was such a much better day with no wind. You can see how fast that horse is moving. That's pretty great. Kicks the guy. Oh man. Oh wow, he's got some cool things today. The wind's blowing just enough where I got a fiberglass snapping turtle, but it makes perfect mold.
Hey, Davey boy.
What do you get on snapper?
I said to your girl, I said, what did you do? Did you lose the bet?
Oh, to come here set up? That's actually nice too.
I don't have that box of postcards. I don't know why.
1971. What do you get on snapping turtle?
Oh, just so you know, it's a Brodan Grom. He should have been here earlier. Had the big lead dog of him. He was Well, he did all the stained glass of the Armenian Cathedral in New York City.
It's pretty cool.
You know what? 40. That's what I paid for it. I wanted 60. That's one of his molds. I kept it. How much? 15 on the OK. 15 on OK. Okie dokie. Yeah, that's what I paid, David. Honestly, I paid 40 each for every piece. I grabbed.
I can't believe you still have this Indian.
I know. Everyone's grabbing it. I got it down to 200 now. I have 4 1/4. No, that's $10 if you want that.
It's an Austrian.
There's in there. There's a town. You can see there's a town. It's neat. Very nice. Oh, yeah.
Never seen a beaver decoy. I might get that. Oh wow! Look at that. The plastic got a head in there. It's pretty cool. The bottom disc. Old 1970s or 60s door. Hopefully you can find 1 or 2 things to buy for putting online. That's actually good for $1. The gears inside. Looks like 10 people set up all together. So
And she's sitting in the chair, and he gives her like sort of like that, hi, and then eventually I think she buys his painting, and so he realized that the girl who bought it was paralyzed in a wheelchair, so he goes to her apartment on Christmas, and it ends up she's on the couch. Her housekeeper left. She's got a blanket over her legs, and I'm getting choked up talking about it. He goes in because they do such a great job of it. He goes into her bedroom, and he sees the painting, his painting, and he sees the wheelchair, and he's like, "What are you telling me?" But it's such a touching scene the way they do it.
What do you want on that vase? This one.
Hey, you know what? $5. Go make money. I love it. I
like it too. It's nice. It's got the signature.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just got cold for some reason. I definitely have to give you $5 for it.
Anyway, so watch it. You got to see it.
Yeah, she's set up. I'm definitely.
But you're gonna cry. I bet you're gonna cry if you want. I'm crying thinking about it, just thinking about it.
All right.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
I'll get that.
Oh, thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's what I thought I should have done what she did, actually.
What, set up out there in the sun? Well, yeah, because it's
on the sun, and then I got charged double over here.
Well,
and I'm not making much business, so I'm better off out there with her.
Only reason I don't like this when it dries, it drips in some spots. But sometimes it doesn't drip.
Yes. Like I said, I really, in retrospect, I should have done what she did, taking one table out there. Right? You gave me 20, right? Yes.
Yeah, I think we're just over 300, so it was a good morning.
Nice stuff.
Yeah.
Really nice
well,
it's
all new.
Yeah, they had a crappy.
You have some really nice pottery.
Yeah, some of it's interesting, right? Yeah.
Where did it all come from?
I've been saving actually a lot of that stuff for a while. I thought that was a marriage, but I guess it does go together.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, those two go together.
It'd be hard to match that up, I guess, but it just doesn't look right. But
well, thank you for my bluebird.
no, thank you too. Thanks for coming by. Good seeing you.
Yep. Let's see what she's got. Everything here is $1 each. It's an almost. Like the little boxes, nice and lacquered. What do you get on that tiny box in there?
That's 10.
You mind if I pull it out?
Sure.
The hinge is busted.
That's 18.
But it is really cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. I can fix that.
I think all it needs is some glue, right?
I have the other part.
some enamel vases. I like
so much.
that lion one. It's kind of cool.
Keep warm. I'll have more jewelry. I didn't put it all out because of the wind, but I do have a lot more to go out. Yeah, she found some good stuff. Good, excellent.
What do you get on this button with the cherub and the dragon?
That's 10.
10?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he doesn't have a back. Do you think it was a button or was it a pin?
I don't know. This stuff will.
You can see where it's sewed onto something. It's really cool.
That's a ring. That's from Rigoletto. I work at the opera. Yeah, that was used in Rigoletto. I know. Isn't that an amazing ring?
I think that's it right now.
The middle. Yeah.
I do like that lion though. Wind is still an issue. Just see if I really like that ship. It's all carved out of a couple pieces of wood. I guess that's for printing. The brass letters, but they're just, they're pretty cool. Oh, you
The porcelain.
did you buy it at here or Columbus?
Columbus.
I always like when people bring me their treasures that they found at the market. To
Porcelain one. A porcelain.
actually, you know what? That one might be decent because it's but it's amber glass.
Oh, okay.
So most
I got one that got the wood on it, this porcelain.
90% of the insulators are blue or like this greenish blue or clear. This amber glass, look this one up. It might actually
That one is a good one.
it might actually be a good one.
I got a big one.
I would say my guess is $40 to $100
Nice. I think
for
good.
for that one. You paid $1 for these?
Yes, $1.
Yeah, that was a good buy. The amber ones are, again, I think harder to find.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
There was one that even.
I mean, I might be off, but I think that they're
The piece of wood in it.
they both have. This one
That
has
one got the piece of
that,
wood on
but
it.
so, watch, this one does too.
Yeah, you see, that's when I
So-
saw that one. I said that one was hanging for a while.
Oh, good find for $1
Yeah,
each.
still got the piece of wood on it.
Nice.
But look this one up and send me a message on Facebook. Let me know how you did
That's
with
the
this
better
one.
one.
I think this is the best one. See if I'm right.
Even the big ones doesn't matter, right?
Well, definitely a good find.
All right, thank you.
Well, I'm gonna go pick up that necklace I dropped off. He definitely does a good job, and he's pretty fast, Robert. So, hello, Rob.
Hey.
Did you finish it?
Yep.
He's got a lot of cool. Brian gave it to you yesterday.
Yes, he did.
Awesome. I always like looking at your silver pins you got. He also makes a lot of awesome jewelry. How did it? What'd you have to do? Did you have a piece or did you?
No, I had to make it.
So you? Oh wow, you hand hammered it. Looks.
Hammered it a little bit so it matches.
And now, you didn't have to add chain, or is it?
It's just a couple of links so it's comfortable to hold while you.
What was the neck size though? It's not going to be too small, is it?
Nope, fits me.
So it's what 16 inches?
It's probably closer to 17 now.
Okay, awesome. I don't know. I just thought it was a really cool designer piece when I got it. Thank you for putting it back together too.
Oh, no problem.
Awesome. What do I owe you? How much was it for making the No.
That's off the record.
Well, is it more than like? Come on, I have to pay.
Just give me $20.
You're too good to me. Thank you very much.
I am good.
I know. You've always been. Thank you.
Thank you.
I really like that you hand hammered it.
That's the match.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go see if there's anything else out at the market. And I do have a couple pieces that I kind of want to set in gold. Like I have a really nice piece of coral I'll bring you.
Yeah,
So,
sure.
all right. I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I thought that might be for you.
You got a big baseball bat.
You sold some volume.
That looks,
I did, definitely.
that looks too dangerous.
Okay.
Something about that tells me I should not have possession of that.
Not a problem.
Come Wednesday?
Yeah, I'll be here. You gonna be here?
Alright. Okay.
That was the only thing I really found that I liked. This vase. All right. Guess we're. It's definitely too cold. No, I'm not. I'm not. The wind is like killer. I'm so sorry about that.
No, it honestly was not that bad.
It wasn't. Well, if I put this heavy steel thing with it, it'll be fine. Oh, you're losing tops. All right. I'm surprised the train still made it. One did? Good. There isn't much going on, so I'm going to take my girl to breakfast since she did such a good job. I can't believe we did as much business with not having... There's really not any customers. That's the problem with the snow on the ground. But... all right, let's see what we get. So, made it back to the warehouse. Gonna unload. Only bought one thing today. Did see some interesting stuff, but it was more about selling at the market. I was coming back from Columbus. I got this Bluebird vase. It's got a signature. Actually, got two signatures. One in gold and one in, I guess, that red color. But my guess is it's Japanese. I think it will do well on eBay. I'll find out. I have the koala pin ending tonight, so I'm definitely interested to see how that goes. The necklace came out way better than I thought. He matched the clasp awesomely. It's all soldered. The clasp is soldered, and it's just definitely great that there's people at the flea market that actually do repairs. Makes life a lot easier. I think I'm going to bring Robert the piece of coral I got a while ago to have him make a mount for it. And I'm just really happy with how little I have to take off the truck. I mean, we did condense a little bit, but I would say she sold a third of the stuff that we had today. So it was in all a very good day, and thank you guys very much for watching. I'm gonna go work on listing some stuff, so thank you, and we'll see everybody next video. Peace. I can't believe this is still here.